Welcome to Real Estate IQ Wisdom for Smart Moves, featuring Randy Zechman, the Chief Executive Officer of Clean Solar.
And what challenges do customers generally face when installing solar?
So there can be a lot, actually. One of the little known facts in our industry is 40% of contracts that get signed don't actually get built.
I see.
So it's crazy, actually. I don't know of any other industry like that. At Clean Solar, we have a 3% fallout rate, but that's because we do a lot of effort on the front end, training salespeople, going through a lot of extra hoops at the beginning to make sure there's no surprises on the back end. So the types of challenges people could have are their main service panel isn't large enough, so they'll need to have an upgrade to a 200 or 400 amp service panel depending on what's going on in their home and how large their system or battery system might be. They can also have roof issues. So any roof that's older than 15 years old, probably you're not putting a solar system on it unless you get either a new roof or get new underlayment under the roof, because you're going to go up on the roof and that solar system's going to be there for a long period of time. So you want to make sure that is going to be weatherproof for 20, 30 years or so. So those are the two main things I would say that can come up. There's lots of little things with jurisdictions that can happen as well, but those two are the big hurdles.
So you help customers resolve all those challenges?
Yeah, we do all of that. It's very common for us, so it's something we try to handle right out of the gate. So the weird thing that happens, I feel like in industry overall, is salespeople try to sell something and don't worry about what happens afterwards, right? So we just take a different approach and say, hey, Mr. or Mrs. Homeowner, you're going to have this issue and it's going to cost X amount of dollars. So if you want to move forward, that's going to be part of the deal, or you're probably not going to end up with solar, right? And so there's a little bit of a different methodology when you're preparing someone for what they're going to see as happen as opposed to just trying to get a sale out of it.
Check the full episode on our YouTube channel and on Apple Podcast.